Hey everyone, I'm Officer Simonik with the Vestal Police Department. I'm also the school resource officer at the Vestal High School. I'm standing here on State Route 434 in front of the Vestal Public Library where we have a HAWK pedestrian signal. But what is a HAWK pedestrian signal? HAWK stands for High Intensity Activated Crosswalk. It is only activated when a pedestrian pushes the button, and it is designed to do one thing: safely stop traffic so people can cross. For pedestrians, it is simple. Press the button to activate the signal. Red hand means wait. Walking person means cross and stay alert. And if the countdown starts while you are crossing, keep moving and finish crossing. What may be new to some drivers is how the signal operates for vehicle traffic. When all lights are off, the crosswalk is inactive and vehicles may proceed normally. When the bottom light begins flashing yellow, the pedestrian has activated the signal. Drivers should begin slowing down and prepare to stop. When the two top lights turn solid red, vehicle traffic must come to a complete stop. When those same two lights begin to flash, vehicle traffic may proceed with caution as long as the crosswalk is completely clear of pedestrians. Treat this exactly like a flashing red light at any intersection. So two things to take away from this. When the light turns solid red, you're gonna stop and treat it like any other red light. Do not proceed through there. When it starts to flash red, you're gonna treat it like a stop sign or a flashing red light. Look in the crosswalk, make sure there's no pedestrians, and proceed with caution. Keeping our community safe is a shared responsibility. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video and learn about how this works.